So you don't have to actually draw this one. I'm drawing it with a fountain pen, but I thought you'd like to see how it was done. Don't forget, you can just go to my website, paintingwatercolor.com, and download it, print it out, and color it in, and have a relaxing Christmas. Hi, I'm Jennifer Branch, and I love painting Christmas cards for my friends and family. One of the most favorite things that I do with my family, I have 2 young boys, is we make gingerbread houses. So ours don't usually last to be the centerpiece, you know, like you'd plan on it. They're usually photographed and grinned, and 2 days later they're eaten. But, you know, they're a lot of fun to make. So here's one that we might be able to keep or send to the family. I'm starting with a fairly small brush and just kind of throwing in some azo yellow a little bit randomly. I want it to be bright and cheerful and candy colored. So some bright yellow gumdrops and then a few red ones in Pyrrole Red. Let them bleed a little bit. It really doesn't matter. Just have some fun with it. You're not trying for accurate gumdrops. This is a really fun one. Okay, so we have some like peppermint striped candy back there. And maybe red gumdrop there. And I was thinking maybe those little peppermint wheels. But don't try to do every single line. People will get the idea, and that's all you're going to do is the basic idea. And the really neat part about this one is it's just like the Christmas trees. You know, we have a basic framework, and if you want to use the PDF, that's wonderful. But you don't have to. You can do it however you want. And do whatever candies that you remember doing when you were a kid or that your kids do today. There. I'm gonna darken this. It's a good idea if you want really bright colors. You do need to go over them a couple times even for a really casual sketch like this. And if your family likes doing peppermint trees, or you remember gumdrop ones or whatever, then just do that. I'm mixing a little bit of yellow with the bright Viridian for the green gumdrops, just for a bit of contrast. Some nice bright cobalt blue. Probably not quite candy looking enough, so maybe a little bit of cobalt teal in there would make them even brighter. And I love Pyrrole Red for Christmas. It is just candy cane colored. It's all about the holidays. Perfect holiday color. Now it's time for the actual gingerbread. So I went that pretty deep. Okay, for the dull dark of the gingerbread, I'm going to do a bit of quinacridone rust and some cobalt blue. Remember, you're doodling. This is doodling that like you used to do in school. This is fun stuff. It's supposed to be fun and silly and not serious, and you will bring joy to a family member. They'll just have a smile in their face just like you do painting it. Now blur a couple edges so it's kind of sitting on snow or icing sugar. The more fun you have painting this, the bigger the smile will be on the recipient's face. And I think maybe some green shutters. You can just pipe those right in. Just dash the green around, add some more colors, some bright yellows. You might have some candy in the windows, some pyrrole red. You want really, really bright for those candy canes, and have fun with this. This is just a fun little thing. It's not supposed to be serious. This is great. This is what Christmas is all about, is painting for sheer joy of painting, because there is no other better way to get into the holiday spirit. No better way to get into the holiday spirit than just painting a Christmas card for someone you love, because you have put a lot of happiness into that card. So clearly, I could go on all day painting this and have so much fun, but it's time for me to stop painting and you to start. So if you want, you can download the free PDF and just print it out on the card of your choice and have some fun coloring it in and painting it with whatever your family gingerbread house traditions are. I think that you'll have a lot of fun. If you'd like to see more, please visit my website, paintingwatercolor.com. I have a lot of Christmas card ideas as well as some other painting tutorials. So happy holidays, and I'll see you next year. Happy painting.